Welcome to Phonics, Unit 29, Day 3. We're going to begin by listening to the story, A Day to Enjoy. As you're listening, I want you to listen for oi words. A Day to Enjoy by Mickey Duranko. A Day to Enjoy by Mickey Duranko. A gray day cannot spoil my fun. At 10, I will play with a toy train in my room. I enjoy that. At noon, Mom and I boil a hot dog for my lunch. Don't spoil it with ketchup, Mom, I tell her. At 1, I oil my rusty bike chain. It was so rusty that it made a funny noise. At 3, I join my sister Joy for a game of cards. We enjoy this game. At 5, the sun is bright up in the sky. I dig in the moist soil. Look, I have dug up an old coin. A gray day can turn into a lucky day. I hope you noticed these words in the story. O-Y, oi words. Enjoy, joy, toy. And O-I, oi words. Boil, coin, join, moist, noise, oil, soil, spoil. There were also these sight words in the book. Have, into, one. Okay, arms up. Let's get ready to tap out our new words. All right, the first word, oi, joy. Okay, next word, oi, point. Okay, next word, oi, noise. And the silent E is there just to make the word look right. And the last word, oi, soil. For spelling practice today, I want you to get onto Spelling City, and I've provided a link in the daily lesson plans. We're in Unit 29, so you'll click on that, and then you're going to be playing a few different games. And these games are, over here. And just choose one or two that you want to play. Choose one of the free games. All right, have a great day learning, guys.